Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prevent anyone from adding you to WhatsApp groups on your Android phone. If you're tired of being added to random groups without your consent, this simple solution will help you take control. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. From this menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy. This will take you to the privacy options for your account. Now, under the Privacy section, you'll see an option called Groups. Tap on it to proceed. You'll now see three options: Everyone, anyone can add you to groups; My Contacts. Only people saved in your contacts can add you to groups; My Contacts accept. This option allows you to exclude specific contacts from adding you to groups. If you want to stop anyone except your trusted contacts from adding you, select My Contacts accept. You will now be able to select the contacts you want to exclude from adding you to groups. You can select All or Only Same to exclude. And that's it. Now, only the contacts you've allowed can add you to groups. If anyone not in your contacts tries to add you, they will need to send you a group invite link instead. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.